Howdy, hey, hello there. Today I'm going to show you a bun hairstyle that I created after watching another YouTuber's video, the Freckled Fox. She does a twisted rope braid tutorial, which I love. It looks great on her hair. Wish I could do it as good as she does. If you'd like the full tutorial for just the braid, go to her channel, which I will link that video down in the description. So from her braid, I adjusted it a bit and then turned it into a bun. So for the hairstyle that I made, you'll need dry shampoo, a hairbrush, tiny hair ties, and lots of pins. First thing to do is dry shampoo, remove glasses, and I like to remove my jewelry just so that it doesn't snag on my hair and rip my hair out. That's always a good thing, right? Yeah, okay. And then part it on this side, and I'm actually gonna go all the way down and bring this part over to this shoulder and then spray it with a little dry shampoo. It helps it hold the shape, helps it if it's fresh hair, helps it if it's dirty hair. It does hold on dirty hair, not sick, nasty, gross, ugly yuckiness, but just dry shampoo helps. Long story short. And then comb through the length of your hair just to get all of the tangles out of it, just to help with that anyway. After you part your hair, grab a small rectangular section from the top. It's kind of big. About right like that. And then you'll split this in half, or in half-ish. And then you'll take the front, go over the back, and then grab another piece. Add it to that piece and then go over. Keep this nice and tight. I usually tend to start grabbing larger sections once I get closer to my ear, and make sure you grab from the back of your head as well. So more of a sweeping kind of motion. Now that I've grabbed everything that I can grab on this side, fold it over, pull it tight, and then start adding this part of your hair into it, but keeping it as tight as you can. Also try and push it more towards the back, and this will help it loop around more. So now it should be mostly falling over your other shoulder. Now we're going to twist like a rope braid. So twisting the hair sections in the same way, and then twist opposite. Twist it down as far as you can, and then use a little teeny tiny hair tie. If you have light hair, I would suggest using the clear ones. If you have dark hair like me, I'm using just black or dark brown. You can use clear too, it's up to you. So with all of these, you can hairspray them down, but before you do that, come in through here and volumize it a bit just by pulling the sections, just to kind of fluff it up a bit. And then come through here and do the same thing. Like I said, Freckled Fox does it a lot better than I do, but she's the one that came up with the rope braid, as far as I know. So if you want to see it look really, really good, go see hers. Okay, I'm pretty happy with that fluff amount because it will kind of lift itself once I pin it up into the bun shape. Now I'm just going to pull this up and around, and then I just tuck my ends underneath another part of it. And then pull this pretty tight. Then once you get it where you like it, pick up a couple pins. I'm using both hairpins and bobby pins, so this is a hairpin because it's more of a V shape. And the bobby pins tend to be more closed. More like that. By the way, please don't open these with your teeth. It's terrible for your teeth. Please don't. Okay, so taking hairpins and bobby pins, pick up a chunk and slide it in. The thicker and longer your hair, the more bobby pins you're going to have to use. Sorry, girls. Basically just pinning until it feels secure. And then if you have a mirror, you can check the back. I don't, so hopefully this looks okay. Might pin a little bit more there. So before you walk out the door, either use your cell phone or a mirror. Oh, there it came out. Ah! And just check the back, make sure there's no odd pieces sticking out that you don't want sticking out. And then you should be good to go. And then once you get that done, you can come back through here, kind of poof this up a bit more, and just make it how you want it. Once you have everything pinned and pretty much where you want it, you can pull out a few pieces and just kind of make it a bit more loose. Just bouncier or whatever. And then to smooth out the back, you can either tease the crown of your head before you do this hairstyle or just kind of smooth it with a brush. I don't know. So there you go. Pretty easy, pretty comfortable. I like it. How about you? Thanks so much for spending some time with me today and trying out this new hairstyle with me. Hope I get to see you soon.